Narada talks of Karna. Do not blame yourself for Karna's death, said Narada. He himself was responsible for it. I will tell you how. Karna went to learn the use of the Brahmastra from Drona, who said it was only taught to Brahmanas. Karna disguised himself as a Brahmana and became a disciple of Parshuram. Parshuram taught him the use of divine weapons. Once, during practice, he killed a Brahmana's cow. The Brahmana cursed him, saying that the wheel of his chariot would sink in mud during the battle and he would be as helpless as the cow. Parshuram discovered the fact that Karna had deceived him. He was a Kshatriya, not a Brahmana. Parshuram cursed Karna that he would not be able to recall the mantras to use the divine weapons when he needed them. Karna gave away his protective armor and earrings to Indra. Yudhishthira's grief. Kunti told Yudhishthira that she had asked Karna to join the Pandavas. Even his father, Surya, the sun god, had advised him to do the right thing by joining the Pandavas. But Yudhishthira was upset that Kunti had hidden the truth about Karna's birth from them. She had caused them to commit the great sin of killing their own elder brother. Yudhishthira wished to go into the forest to do penance for his sin. Each one of the Pandavas tried to reason with him. Draupadi said that punishing the wicked was a part of the duties of a king. There was no need for him to feel sorrow at having punished those who had done wrong. Finally, it was Vyasa who came to tell Yudhishthira the duties of a king and his responsibility. Yudhishthira became king of Hastinapur. He first went to take the blessings of the grandsire who lay on his bed of arrows. Bhishma passes away. Yudhishthira sought the blessings of his grandsire. Bhishma gave his blessings and also gave him sound advice about how to conduct himself correctly as a king. In the Mahabharata epic, this is known as Shanti Parva. Having taught him, Bhishma finally passed away. Yudhishthira performed his last rites. Overcome by the sorrow of the past and the grief of losing so many loved ones in the war, Yudhishthira became unconscious beside the river, where he performed the ceremonies. Bhima revived him. Then Dhritarashtra came to console him. He said that Yudhishthira had honorably won a victory and that he should now take up the responsibility of ruling his kingdom. He said he had himself been foolish and paid the price for it by losing his sons. It was now his own turn, along with Gandhari, to grieve. They would look on Yudhishthira as their son. Dhritarashtra's life. Vishampayana recited the Vyasa's Mahabharata to King Janmejaya. The king asked him how the Pandavas treated Dhritarashtra after winning their kingdom. They treated him with great respect. Yudhishthira tried to keep him happy and never let him feel humiliated. He consulted Dhritarashtra on the matters of state so that he might feel he was still the king. All comforts and luxuries were provided for him. Kunti was a companion to Gandhari, and Draupadi served both of them with care and respect. Kripacharya provided company for Dhritarashtra, and Vyasa told the stories of the olden days to comfort everyone. Everyone, including the Pandavas, had been instructed not to hurt the parents of the Kauravas by any word or action. Everyone carried out Yudhishthira's orders. Only Bhima found it very difficult to control his anger. Occasionally, he would comment that the Kauravas deserved their destruction. This would cause great hurt and pain to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, Subscribe to Sahil Book House.